Welcome you all to Alpha and Omega Mathematics by Vijaya Jackson. Let us do problems based on degree of a polynomial, roots of a polynomial over a ring capital R. So the question is now. So first to see the problems based on degree of a polynomial over a ring. So the question is, what is the degree? So what is the degree of a polynomial? What is the degree of a polynomial? F of x is equal to 6x cubed plus 5x squared plus 3x minus 2 over a ring set 6. This is the question. So the question is, what is the degree of a polynomial? F of x is equal to 6x cubed plus 5x squared plus 3x minus 2 over set 6. So if over set 6 is not given, easily you can say that the degree of your polynomial is leading term. Leading term coefficient is 6x cubed. So degree of this polynomial is 3. But here the question is given degree of your polynomial over set 6 we are calculating. So how we are going to calculate? See here, just to take it set 6. What is set 6? So set 6 is a set of all positive integer starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It contains only 6 elements. So set 6 starting from 0, therefore the ending element is 5. So this is set 6. So now take the given polynomial. It is f of x is equal to 6x cubed plus 5x squared plus 3x minus 2. This is our polynomial now. So now check that coefficient of each term. So x cube coefficient is 6. So x cube coefficient is here 6. So just to check it, the element 6, whether it belongs to set 6 or not. Okay. So 6 belongs to set 6. No, it does not belongs to set 6. Okay. So the elements are only 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So therefore 6 is not belongs to set 5. Therefore you have to change the coefficient of x cube. So how we are going to check it? See here, 6 is congruent to mod 6. Take mod 6. Okay. So after dividing 6, okay, 6 divided by 6, the remainder answer is 0. So the remainder is 0. So 6 is congruent to 0 mod 6. Now our x cube coefficient is changed. So instead of 6, so I put now it is 0. Okay. So x cube coefficient is 0. So coefficient of x cube is 0 now. So again now check the second term. Second term is x square. So x square coefficient is 5. So 5 belongs to set 6. So no need to alter it. So then x coefficient is 3. 3 is also belongs to set 6. So here also don't change anything. So now again the constant term is minus 2. So minus 2, our set is actually set of all positive integers. So therefore minus 2 is not belongs to set 6. Therefore, so we are writing 4 is congruent to minus 2 mod 6. So 2 taking this side, 4 plus 2 it is 6. So 4 is congruent to minus 2 mod 6. Therefore minus 2 places put it is 4. So now our given polynomial is rechanged. So it is f of x equal to 0 into x cube plus 5x squared plus 3x minus 2 places put it 4. It is 4. So now check it here. 5x squared plus 3x plus 4. It is f of x. So what is the degree of this polynomial? So the leading term is x squared. So definitely degree is 2. Okay. So degree of f of x is equal to 2 over set 6. This is important. Over set 6 is important. Otherwise, you can say that immediately degree of the given polynomial is 3. Okay. So over set 6, degree of this particular polynomial is degree is 2 only. So now see the next question. Let f of x is equal to 4x square plus 3 and g of x is equal to 2x plus 5 be two polynomials over Z8. Find degree of f of x into g of x. Find degree of f of x into g of x. So here there are two polynomials are given. F of x is 4x square plus 3 and g of x is 2x plus 5. Okay. So you are checking that f of x into g of x calculated. So after that find out the degree of f of x into g of x over Z8. So how we are going to calculate is Z8, right? Z8 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 till 7. So it has 8 elements starting from 0. So then write f of x. What is f of x is here? 4x square plus 3. So f of x is 4x square plus 3. G of x is 2x plus 5. So here also check it out whether 4 the coefficient of each term belongs to set 8 or not. So x square coefficient is 4, 4 belongs to set 8 and 3 is the constant term, 3 is also belongs to set 8 and in g of x, x coefficient is 2, 2 belongs to set 8 and the constant term is also 5, it is also belongs to set 8. So find out f of x into g of x now. So just to take it ordinary multiplication into 2x plus 5. So this is equal to multiplied 4 2s are 8. So 8x to the power 3. Then 4 5s are 20 plus 3 2s are 6x plus 15. So now 8x cube plus 6x. Okay. So 8x cube plus 20x square plus 8x cube plus 20x square plus 6x plus 15. So this is now f of x into g of x. So this is now f of x into g of x. So now here we are calculating degree of this polynomial. So before that, just to check each term. Okay. So each term belongs to Z8 or not. Okay. So the first term x cube coefficient is 8. So 8 not belongs to set 8. So 8 not belongs to set 8. So therefore 8 is congruent to 8 mod 8. So mod 8. So we are writing it is from Z8. Set 8. Therefore we are writing here mod 8. So suppose set 7 comes means. So you take mod 7. So again it is 0. 8 is congruent to 0 mod 8. Then 20. 20 is congruent to mod 8. It is 4. 20 divided by 8. Balance remainder is 4. So again x coefficient is 6. It belongs to set 8. 15. 15 alone check it. So 15 is congruent to 7 mod 8. So now again our polynomial is rechanged. So f of x and g of x is equal to 8 in the places put it. It is 0. So 0. The remaining 20x square is 4x square now plus 6x plus 7. Okay. So this is our record polynomial f of x into g of x. Okay. So therefore degree of this polynomial, what is the degree of the polynomial? So degree of f of x into g of x answer is leading term is x square term is a leading term. So degree is 2. So over Z8. This is the answer for the degree of the given polynomial f of x into g of x. So now the third question is determine all the roots all the roots of f of x is equal to x square plus 3x plus 2 belongs to set 6 of x. So you are finding the roots of a polynomial over set 6. So for finding roots of a polynomial also we know many procedure. So you can find the factor and you can use the formula minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a or trial and error method. So any one of the method we can find the factor of the polynomial. That is actually root. From factor we are writing root of a polynomial. But here the question is root of a polynomial over the ring Z6. So this is here we are doing it in a different way. So first write it Z6. What is Z6? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is then to find roots now. To find roots. So for finding roots, so take the first element is 0 and substitute the 0 to f of x. Okay. So calculate f of 0 answer. So the remainder must be 0. So 0 square plus 3 into 0 plus 2. The answer is 2. So this is not congruent to 0 mod 6. Mod 6. Here set 6. So the remainder is not 0. Therefore, we can say that 0 is not a root. 0 is not a root of f of x over set 6. So again, likewise, the same. Each element, check it whether it is a root or not. So here, uh, put it 1. Okay. See x equal to 1. So therefore f of 1 becomes um, 1 square plus 3 into 1 plus 2. So what is the answer? 3 plus 3 is 6. So 6 is congruent to 0 mod 6. Okay. So therefore 1 is a root. We can write it 1 is a root over set 6. So again check the next element, it is a 2. So find out the answer for f of 2. So 2 square plus 3 into 1 plus 2. So answer is 4, 7, 9. 9 is congruent to mod 6. The remainder is 3. So therefore it is not congruent to 0. Therefore 2 is not a root. 2 is not a root of f of x over set 6. Then again check it 3. So x is equal to 3, f of 3. So 3 square plus 3 into 3 plus 2. So answer is 9 plus 9 plus 2. So 18, 20, 20. So this is actually congruent to check it. Mod 6. So 3, 6 are 18. Remainder is 2. So this is also not 0. Remainder is not 0. So therefore 3 is not a root. 3 is not a root over set 6. So then find out 4. F of 4. So f of 4 is 4 square plus 3 into 4 plus 2. So answer is 16. 16 plus 12, it is 28, 30. So 30 is congruent to 0 mod 6. So 30 divided by 6 is, quotient is 5, remainder is 0. So therefore 4 is a root. 4 is a root over set 6. One more element, that is the last element, it is 5. So find out f of 5. So 5 square plus 3 into 5 plus 2. So answer is 25 plus 50, 40, 42. So 42 is congruent to mod 6, 0. So therefore 5 is a root over set 6. Okay. So see here. So we have we did 0 is a root. Okay. So in the particular problem, 0 is a root over set 6. Okay. 0. After that 1 is a root we calculated. Then 2 is not a root, 3 is not a root, 4 is a root, 5 is a root. Okay. So therefore, roots are, okay, so conclude it, roots are 0, not 0, right? 0 is not a root. 1, 1, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5. Roots are 1, 4, 5 over set 6. Over set 6. Okay. So this way we are finding roots of a polynomial. Okay. So over a ring and also degree of a polynomial over a ring.